Yeah, super happy to be back here at Formnext. Finally reunite with the industry and have all our customers and partners also here at our booth. We show new products. On the one hand, our new PowerShort Dual Performance that we show to the world for the first time, and also our DM60 black line that we just introduced for a high volume of black coloring. And also behind me we show our approach to IoT and Industry 4.0, and we show how our machines in our headquarters in Munich, we can track them here. You can see where they are in the process. So it's a great example to show how we plan to do the integration in the factory of the future. And on the other hand, we show new applications here, applications with flexible materials where we use lattice structures, but also some new applications, as an example, on the eyewear side. So all in all, we are super happy to be finally back here at Formnext, and we are very much looking forward to what's ahead and to reform manufacturing together with our partners and customers.